Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm super stoked because this is a collaboration giveaway video with an amazing clothing company called Pantheon Wear. They have all kinds of clothes. They've got men's wear, women's wear, hoodies, dresses. They have accessories. They're so awesome. All you need to do to enter is to go and follow Pantheon Wear on Instagram. This is what their Instagram looks like. As you can see, we need to help them get their following count up. I'm spreading the word. They were so kind as to send me a beautiful dress to take photos of and to kind of get this giveaway out into the open for you guys. I will show you what they sent me. It is this beautiful dress. They make this in 3 different colors. This one is in Tuscany yellow. They also have like a blush pink and a crimson red. You could totally win this dress or pick anything else from their website if you go and follow them on Instagram before April 25th, 2021. Let me show you what this amazing number looks like when it's on. This is what it looks like when it's on. It is a form-fitting bodycon style dress. I absolutely love the way it fits. Love the bright yellow. And you know what? I am not even wearing a bra, and it is pushing the girls up together quite nicely. I am so excited to be able to share this giveaway with you guys. So definitely please go follow Pantheon Wear on Instagram before April 25th at midnight so you can be entered. The winner will be chosen at random. I think they're gonna have more than one winner too, so head over there. You definitely don't want to miss out. This dress is amazing. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to quickly hop here and share this news with you. So definitely do that so you can be entered. If you like short little quick videos like this where you get the chance to win something, then please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go and hit that subscribe button down below, and if you want to be notified of upcoming videos, then hit the bell. And until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.